Hi guys, welcome to Kana Info Systems YouTube channel. My name is Pratyushadan and today I'll be showing you how we can use service in Auto.js. So here I have used this particular use service hook and I have imported from web core utils hooks. So what use service provide is that it mainly provide access to the all the services that are present in the Auto.js. So we can access all the services using this .env.services, and here we can list down all the services that are present in Odoo.js. So uh, currently I have created a particular navbar menu component and I have attached this particular component in this particular area, this one. So if you want to gain more knowledge that how we can attach a particular component in this particular area, then you can watch our previous video on this particular topic. So in this particular navbar menu component, what I did was I'm using the use service. I'm using the RPC services, and I'm using it using the use service. So the RPC is the service that mainly provides to call the API and fetch data from the backend, or you can say database level, and it shows it shows us in this particular anywhere we want to show it. So what I am doing is that on the change of the selection of the this particular form, if it is a form, then it will fetch the data from the sale order model, and it will get all the datas of the sale order, and it will show me the uh, particular partner name. So let me show you how is it working or not. So let me cross this particular one, and I am just changing the selection, and now you can see it is working. So it is fetching the data from, it is mainly fetching the partner name from this particular sale order. If I change this particular sale order, then it will also change the partner name. If I change to this one, it is this one. uh, l- let's see if this is right or not. So as you can see, this is the right data which it is fetching. So here we can, this is how we can use the particular service using the use service, and this is how we can use the RPC in Odoo.js. Thank you for watching my video. We keep bringing useful videos like these. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kuna Info System YouTube channel. Thank you.